Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up content rewards on Whop. So let's jump right in. First, go to the Earn tab of your Whop. This is where bounties and content rewards are listed. Then, click on the Add App button at the bottom of the section. This is going to display a pop-up with apps under the Earn category. There, select the Content Rewards app. Once you select Content Rewards, you'll see the Content Rewards Setup pop up. The setup has 6 mandatory fields: title, content type, clipping, other, UG, category, total budget, reward rate per 1K views, and the allowed platforms. All other fields, like the tutorial video or maximum payouts, are optional. You can always edit the content reward you create to change these settings, except total budget, reward rate, and flat fee bonus. Once you're done filling out the fields you want, click the Continue button at the bottom right of the pop-up to proceed. The following pop-up you'll see after clicking the Continue button is the deposit prompt. The system will require you to top up the balance of the content reward, so it can go live. Until then, the content reward will have the pending status, and your members won't be able to see it.